Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have been looking at the latest decor trends and I love those beautiful oversized artificial trees in homes. I think they look spectacular. Now, a little bit of a sideways story here. Each and every year we go down to Queenstown with our very best friends and we just have a ball. Queenstown has to be my most favourite place in all of New Zealand. Do a Google search and you'll see why I love it. The mountains, the lake, the air, the gorgeous trees. It's absolute paradise for a girl who loves the botanicals. We were walking with my friend and I heard she said, "Oh, I want one of those." My mouth immediately said, "I will make you one." And it was a blossom tree. I liked them so much that I decided I too would like blossom trees at my house. Hers was the bright pink. Mine is going to be a little bit more subtle. She'll probably get these for her house anyway. And I made her one, and her room is so big, I actually had to make two. So if you're doing this project, might I suggest you do two too? One for you and maybe one for a friend because everybody loves these. Okay. You can buy these blossom trees. I know that you guys in the States can buy these because I saw them when I was there, much bigger than that, but our houses aren't quite as big as yours. Now, it comes in a box from China and it looks hideous. So what you have to do when you get yours home is you have to get into there and you have to get the air in there. Get the air in. Open it up so that it looks like it's naturally occurring. I could do a bit better with that, but that'll do for now. My tip, because it's just a white bit of fluff, you need to bring in some other forms. So I had a whole heap of blossom just lying around, and it's just a matter of getting these. I would cable tie these on, but I'm not allowed to do cable tying because of my handicapped hand, which is not allowed to do anything like cable tying for quite some time. And it's just a matter of getting in here, and you can make this as tall as you like, and all you need to do is to cable tie your extra bits into the tree. How easy is that? Now, because I don't want to be wasting your time, I've actually done one and I want to share with you and talk you through what I did. So that one can just go over to there, and let me bring this. This one that I have already done. So you can see that all I did was put the extra branches on, and I got some different types of blossom, and I have just incorporated those, just cable tying those before I did my hand on, cable tie those down the side. Now, the other thing is I use this little blossom here. So the more varieties of blossoms you can use, the better the finished result. Now, you can't hardly see these, but they're there. So what that is doing is it's breaking up that white, oh my goodness me, by bringing in some other forms. And over here, you can see where I've put these forms in, and it just breaks the whole thing up with the darker twigs and the little different varieties of blossom. So if you want to take it to another level, that's how you go about it. And then along the stem here, let me just lift this up, along the stem here where I stuck all the other stems along onto this main branch, what I've done is I've just got some little heads and I've just glued those along the side to give me the variation of what's going to suit this tree. And it's not perfect because, as I continuously tell you, in the botanical world, nothing is perfect. So to get that informal looks natural look, it is what you add to it and how you get the movement. But this I think is absolutely beautiful, and I love it. Now, to finish it off, you can, it's the container. So if you want the different types of containers. So if you want something that's a little bit more informal, a bucket or a lovely big tub, or if you wanted it to be a little bit more formal, just by getting the urn and the pot goes into the cavity, and then you can just get some moss or some bark or whatever and just put that around the inside to cover up the pot. How cool is that? So this was not a very expensive exercise, and you can buy I know you can, because I've seen them, you can buy the basic shape and then just go wild and add what it is that you want to make your tree look right for your environment. I hope you've enjoyed this. I really love this process, and I look forward to bringing more of these to you very soon, because my whole head has exploded with the gorgeous things that you can create to enhance your environment. I look forward to seeing you again another day. Thanks for spending time with me.